Who is the new kid on the block shaking up the EV market? It's Fisker. The latest American automaker aims to revolutionize the entire industry with its latest offering, the Fisker Ocean electric SUV. As of December 2022, Fisker announced that it had manufactured 56 Ocean SUVs, and delivery is rolling out slowly. What makes the Ocean stand out among other prominent electric vehicles in its class, such as the Tesla Model Y, iconic Hyundai Ioniq 5, Ford Mustang Mach-E, and Volvo XC40 Recharge, is its unique features. The EV market has progressed to the extent that consumers are no longer impressed by crazy designs or driving range on a single charge. Instead, they crave good handling, comfort, the latest technology, and advanced safety features, all at an affordable price. Now the battle among EV makers is who can best meet the demands of the masses. Producing top-notch, affordable electric cars requires not only knowledge, but also a significant amount of time. To overcome this challenge, the American automaker came up with a solution.
We are ready for high speed.
Fisker is ramping up production quickly by outsourcing the manufacturing of the Ocean SUV to an Austrian-based contract manufacturer called Magna Steyr. This will help the EV maker reduce the complexities and costs associated with building and operating its own factory. By using Magna's electric vehicle platform, Fisker is anticipating significant cost savings. In return, Magna will be receiving a stake of up to 6% of Fisker's equity. Fast forward to today, and the Ocean SUV is finally here, boasting unique features that are rare to find in any other electric car on the market, all at a starting price below $40,000. So what makes the Fisker Ocean SUV stand out from the competition? Well, for starters, it has distinctive features that are not commonly found in other electric cars. These features are game changers that will revolutionize the electric vehicle industry. Let's take a closer look at some of them. From the start of next year, every Fisker Ocean SUV will be compatible for battery swapping, powered by a San Francisco-based battery swapping company, and Fisker. The technology allows drivers to replace their drained battery with a fully charged one autonomously. Battery swapping offers EV drivers the ability to get a fully charged battery similar to the waiting time required to refuel a gasoline vehicle in just 10 minutes, and also at a lower per-mile cost. Surprisingly, neither the partnered company Ampol nor Fisker will be the first to implement electric vehicle battery swapping. A Chinese company known as NIO, headquartered in Shanghai, was the first in the game. NIO has swapped over 20 million electric vehicle batteries worldwide, including over 10,000 swaps in Europe alone. NIO's senior vice president for power management confirmed that their Station 3.0 can ramp up battery swapping in under 5 minutes at a lower cost than Ampol's operation. As for the biggest EV automaker, Tesla, they attempted battery swapping some years back, but abandoned the project due to undisclosed problems. Tesla believes that direct charging of electric vehicles is the best way to power EV batteries, not swapping. Just like other electric cars, the Fisker Ocean top model features a solar glass sunroof. Usually, most EVs come with a glass roof to keep the vehicle cool during sunny days, but Fisker wanted to improve on this and introduced the idea of generating power from the sun by using a solar panel attached to the glass roof to charge the Ocean's battery. With the Ocean's large solar rooftop reported as one of the largest in size, it is expected to generate at least 1,500 miles of driving range per year in recommended weather locations, such as California. Fisker went a step further and targeted those who usually drive in slow traffic every day, offering up to 2,000 miles of driving every 12 months. The glass roof with solar is movable, just like other convertibles. The Ocean Extreme model features this and has a price tag of $68,999. On the other hand, the $38,000 Fisker Ocean base model comes with a fixed glass roof, and the Ocean mid-trim has a sliding glass roof, popularly known as the Sky Roof. Fisker isn't stopping with the Ocean EV yet. The American automaker is working on a new, rugged off-road edition called the Ocean Force E, which is currently being developed at Fisker's Enchanted Works Specialty division in Britain. To increase interest in the Ocean as a transportation option, Fisker plans to introduce the Ocean Force E off-road package by the end of the year. Henrik Fisker, the CEO, says that the Ocean Force E will be a top performer off-road with improved ground clearance, specific dampers, 20-inch forged wheels, and 33-inch off-road tires. It is expected to have a powerful 550 horsepower. The E-Force package will also include a titanium plate to protect the full length of the vehicle's underbody and primarily mounted front and rear slip plates. Fisker also claims that the all-wheel drive Ocean Extreme and Ocean Ultra models can be retrofitted with the Ocean Force E package. The Ocean isn't just an impressive EV with a great range, it also comes equipped with a unique powerhouse charger. This charger allows you to use the car's battery as an emergency power source, providing electricity to your home for up to 7 days during power outages. It's important to note that during such emergencies, it's recommended to limit home power consumption to 50% of normal use. In addition, the Ocean's Power Share feature allows you to lend a charge to another electric vehicle in need, while the external power outlet can power various electronics and appliances. These are just a few examples of the Ocean's versatile and innovative features. Fisker has also introduced a stunning new technology known as Park My Car. This technology allows the Ocean to autonomously park itself either parallel to the curb or in an angled spot without scratching or hitting other nearby vehicles. The Ocean can also detect obstacles on the road and automatically apply the brakes to avoid collisions. You just need to pay attention to any warning alerts the vehicle may signal you. Both the Park My Car feature and anti-collision tech will be added through Air updates soon. As previously mentioned, consumers are no longer impressed solely by the driving range of electric vehicles. Nevertheless, both performance and battery range continue to be essential aspects of every electric car. Although the EPA has yet to evaluate the Ocean, estimated figures provided by Fisker are available for all 4 trim levels. The Ocean is present in both single-motor or dual-motor formats. The base sport model boasts front-wheel drive and 275 horsepower, sufficient to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.9 seconds. The Ocean Ultra. The next trim level comes with dual motors and all-wheel drive, generating an impressive 540 horsepower. It has the ability to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. The highest trim levels, Extreme and Limited Edition 1 models, have an additional 10 horsepower, totaling 550 horsepower. All but the base model are equipped with a 100 kilowatt-hours battery pack, while the front-wheel drive version gets a slightly smaller pack and 273 miles of driving range. The Ocean Ultra model offers 379 miles of driving range, equivalent to that of the luxurious Mercedes EQS SUV. However, it is the Fisker Ocean Extreme model that is truly impressive, boasting a whopping 440 miles of driving range on a full charge. This driving range exceeds that of any other electric SUV on the market today, surpassing the Mach-E, Hyundai Ioniq 5, and Tesla Model X by over 100 miles. You may appreciate the sound and appearance of certain features on the Fisker Ocean, but not all of them may be available on the base sport trim, which retails for $37,499. There is a display on the armrest called Limo Mode to control sound volume, temperature, and seat warmers. You can fold the Limo feature up when not in use to create more space. When you step inside the cabin, you'll notice the Ocean has a straightforward layout that is balanced by a few essential controls, made with recovered materials such as fishing nets and 100% PET to promote sustainability. There is seating for 5 people in a beautiful modern interior, with features that cannot be found in other vehicles. The Ocean does not have flashy metal or wood trims, but instead has soft-suited fabrics that provide visual appeal. The designers aim for simplicity, a sort of unfussiness that makes the cabin a calm and welcoming space without the sparse look of a Tesla. Moving forward, you will come across a gigantic 17.1 rotating touchscreen, available only on the Ocean's 1 and Extreme models. There is no vehicle on the market that offers a horizontally rotating infotainment touchscreen for entertainment except BYD Seagull's $10,600 electric car. A premium Harman Kardon 8-speaker audio system is standard, along with 4G connectivity in the Ocean SUV. We still hope to find Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in the Fisker Ocean. Currently, Fisker designed its infotainment system to integrate the unique information required for an EV, which is lacking in other interfaces. Several Fisker Ocean SUVs will have many safety components, but only a small number of early deliveries may be available before the upgrade is made accessible. The standard safety features include automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane maintenance assist, emergency lane departure avoidance, traffic sign and traffic light recognition, intelligent speed assist, driver fatigue and attention alert, parking assist, and automatic high beams. Front and side collision warning systems are expected to be ready by late 2023, with a rear-view monitor to follow by year-end. Higher models will also come standard with evasive steering assistance and rear cross-traffic accident mitigation around mid-year. The Ocean Sport Base trim has a starting price of $37,499, while the Ocean Ultra trim costs $49,999. The Fisker Ocean Extreme and Ocean, one of the highest on the list, with equivalent price tags of $68,999 respectively. The Fisker Ocean comes with a 6-year/60,000-mile warranty, whichever comes first. This includes emergency roadside services. The battery and the entire all-electric motor are covered for 10 years or 100,000 miles, with the battery assured for 75% efficiency. The Ocean has received numerous awards, and when it was originally introduced, it had a lengthy reservation list of approximately 65,000 buyers. Additionally, Fisker and Foxconn are working together to introduce the Fisker Pier, its second electric vehicle in 2024. The base variant of the Fisker Pier, which will be produced in Ohio, was once intended to cost roughly $30,000. Don't miss our future videos. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when we upload another video. And if you've made it this far, we just wanted to say thank you for watching.